Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a meatball. And these are the ingredients you need. I got 1 pound of ground beef, 1 egg, 1 onion, black pepper, salt, Italian seasoning, and breadcrumb. I'm going to pour the meat into the bowl. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon pepper, half cup of breadcrumb, and 1 egg. Then mix it. It might look a little dry, but it depends on the temperature of where you live. Sometimes you need to add a little bit of water if it's too dry. Mix it all and see. As long as it can roll to a ball, then it's good enough. Does not have to be wet. Okay, I did not add any water to the meat. It's all mixed. So I'm just showing you how to roll it into a ball. So I'm using a tablespoon. And then just try to make it squeeze a little. And then this thing helps to be a round little ball. Okay. Repeat the same process until all the meats are done. Okay. Okay, I finished rolling the meatball. I managed to make 32 out of the meat. So I am going to pan fry it in medium-low heat. Just add a little bit of oil. Don't want to add too much, just because grease comes out from the meat. So I'm going to cook it like this in medium-low heat, and I just like rolling it once in a while. Try to get all the sides to be golden brown. Like, yeah, see? Like this. Turn it. Well, you can do this way to make it turn. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, so you just have to help it a little. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and most of it, 90%, is golden brown on all of it. So now I am going to cover it, and covering for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes has gone by and it looks like this. So I'm going to shake it a little like this. So I'm turning it over so try to get the red part to the bottom. Okay, all the meatball has been turned. So now I'm going to cover it for another 3 minutes again. Okay, another 3 minutes has gone by. This is what it looks like. Okay, still not 100% cooked, so I'm going to cover another 3 minutes. Okay, another 3 minutes has gone by, and this is what it looks like. Grease comes out, therefore it's fully cooked and it's shrinked a little. So I'm going to serve in with spaghetti. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.